Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get 50% off of your Strava subscription in the Strava app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Strava app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the cog. And here, as you can see, under the account section at the bottom, there is a students get 50% off little notification. If you tap on this pop-up is going to be shown. And then if you tap on learn more, it's going to redirect us. And we are going to receive an email through which we can actually get this 50% off discount of the subscription if we can show that we are actually a student enrolled at a faculty or at a university or at in a school. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.